Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about the flowchart. To perform any task, we need to know the steps to be done and the sequence of steps. Many modern gadgets and appliances come with the manual that contains step by step instructions on how to use the gadget to perform a specific task. This set of step by step instructions to get perform a particular task is called algorithm. Instructions when coded in any programming language are known as programs. Algorithms. In computing, an algorithm is a series of sequential procedure for performing calculations or processing data. Algorithms are independent of computer programming language. Rules for writing algorithm. Always begin with the keyword start. Always write each statement in separate line. Use the keyword print or write to show the output value. And the last one is use the keyword stop to end the algorithm. And this is the algorithm chart. Next is our decision making statement. While solving a problem, we may find a situation where we have two options and we need to choose one option. Following decision making statements are used. Simple if statement. When the condition after if is true, the statements executed, otherwise they are ignored. If else statement. When the condition if is true, the statement mentioned. If else are executed statement after else are executed. And here are some examples. Check. Next is our flowchart. Flowchart is a graphical or symbolic representation of sequential instructions necessary to perform a task. It is very useful concept to learn in programming. It helps us to write clear and simple programs. Flowchart symbols. We use know these symbols and their use in flowchart. Let's have the look at some of the different flowchart symbols. Relative statement. The process of repeating a set of instruction or statements for a specific number of time is called looping. The statement used to develop such repetitions. Looping statement. A block of statement is executed. The counter variable checks for the specified condition, changing, not fixed, a name given, a memory. And at last, here are some questions based on what we have learned till now. Thank you.